It was a quiet evening in the upper room. The Passover meal was finished. Jesus sat with his 12 disciples. He had washed their feet, given them bread and wine, and told them many important things. Now he looked up toward heaven.
Father, the hour has come. Please glorify me so I can bring glory to you. I have finished the work you gave me to do. Now, I am ready to come back to you.
Jesus wasn't just talking to God. He was praying a very special prayer. And guess what? He wasn't only praying for himself. He prayed for his disciples, and even for you and me. Jesus turned his thoughts to the disciples sitting around him.
Father, you gave these people to me. They listened to my words, believed the truth, and now they know that you sent me. I'm not praying for the whole world right now, but for these disciples because they belong to you.
He prayed for their safety, their joy, and for God to keep them close. He didn't ask God to take them out of the world, but to protect them from the evil one.
Make them holy through your truth. Your word is truth. Just as you sent me into the world, I send them too.
Now comes the most amazing part. Jesus looked ahead, not just to tomorrow, but to years and years into the future.
I am praying not just for these disciples, but also for everyone who will believe in me through their message.
Jesus was thinking of all his future followers, children, youth, and adults from every country and language.
Father, I want them all to be one, just like you and I are one. I want them to be full of love and to stay close to me. Then the world will believe that you sent me.
What a prayer. Jesus was about to go to the cross, but he took time to intercede for his disciples and for all his future followers. That includes you. Yes, Jesus prayed an intercessory prayer for you and me. Intercessory prayer means talking to God and asking him to help someone else. It's like being a kind friend who prays for others because you care about them. In the next episode, you'll see how powerful and important it is to pray for others. Abby and Mia were best friends. They did everything together, played during break time, studied for tests, and even shared lunch. Every day was fun for the two friends. One morning, Mia came to school and couldn't find Abby. She checked the classroom, the playground, and even the library, but Abby wasn't there. Mia started to worry. Where could her friend be? She wondered. After school, Mia ran straight to Abby's house. There she found Abby lying in bed, looking very sick. Mia felt so sad. She wished she could help, but she didn't know what to do. That evening, when Mia got home, she remembered what her Sunday school teacher had taught her.
You should pray for other people, just like Jesus prayed for his disciples and all those who would believe in him.
So she knelt beside her bed and prayed with all her heart.
Dear God, please make Abby better. She is my best friend, and I don't want her to be sick anymore.
She prayed around 9 o'clock in the evening and then went to bed. The next morning, while Mia was getting ready for school, she heard a knock on the door. She opened it, and there stood Abby. She looked healthy and happy.
Abby, but you were so sick. How are you even standing here?
Abby smiled and said,
I felt something amazing last night. It was like light filled my room, and suddenly I felt better. It happened around 9 p.m.
Mia's eyes widened. That's the exact time she was praying for Abby. They both smiled, hugged, and walked to school, knowing that God had answered Mia's prayer.
Dear children, I hope you enjoyed the story and learned something special from it. Here are 3 important lessons you can learn from this story.
1. Intercession is caring for others through prayer. When we pray for someone else, we show love and care, just like Mia did for Abby. 2. God hears our prayers. Even when we feel small, God listens when we pray sincerely, especially when it's for someone in need. 3. Your prayers can help others feel better. Just like Mia's prayer helped heal Abby, your prayers can bring comfort, healing, and miracles to your friends, siblings, and parents. Remember to pray for someone today.